Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, gold, very sideways today. It's actually been sideways ever since this big move up. I think that this is actually still part of a correction. I think this potentially is like a wave A. I think this is very, very, very overlapping, like a wave B. I think we're more likely going to go down to like the 50 to 61% for like a wave C. Now, Friday is a bank holiday in the US. It's Independence Day. Gold, all commodities, stock market, and indices will be closed. Forex will be open on Friday, but there's going to be a major lack of volume. There's really going to be no liquidity in the market. So I definitely would suggest not trading. Definitely not even going to be an option on gold because gold will not be open on Friday anyways. Seems to me like we're likely to make an ABC, but the daily time frame is up, so it could possibly keep drifting up. Because the daily time frame is turned back to the upside, I would be recommending longs. I would be trying to go long at the end of pullbacks if I see them, especially if this goes down to like the 50 or the 61% fib level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.